Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Olivia, and today we are going to talk about hobbies.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Olivia, what is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading books.
That sounds interesting.
Thank you.
When did you start reading books?
I started reading when I was a child.
Wow,
My parents bought many books for me.
that is wonderful.
What about you?
My favorite hobby is playing soccer.
Really?
Yes, I love sports.
How often do you play soccer?
Usually every weekend.
That sounds fun.
It is.
Do you play with friends?
Yes, always.
Playing with friends is more enjoyable.
I agree.
Why do you like soccer?
Because it keeps me active and healthy.
Good reason.
Thank you.
Reading helps me relax.
What kind of books do you read?
I like adventure and mystery books.
Nice.
Do you read books?
Sometimes.
What do you read?
I read simple English books.
That is great for learning English.
Yes, it helps me learn new words.
I agree.
Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I also enjoy drawing.
Wow, that sounds creative.
Thank you.
What do you like to draw?
Flowers, animals, and nature.
Very nice.
Do you have another hobby?
Yes, I enjoy listening to music.
What kind of music?
Soft pop music.
Nice choice.
Music helps me relax after work.
Same here.
Friends, what is your favorite hobby? Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to hear from you.
Olivia, do hobbies help people?
Yes, definitely.
How?
They reduce stress and make people happy.
That is true.
Hobbies are also good for learning new skills.
I agree.
Have you ever tried painting?
No, I haven't.
You should try it.
Maybe one day.
It is very relaxing.
Have you ever played soccer?
Only once.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, but I am not very good at it.
That's okay.
Practice makes people better.
Exactly.
Let's learn some useful English sentences.
Great idea.
My hobby is reading.
Very useful.
Another sentence is, I enjoy listening to music.
Many people can use that sentence.
Let's give another example.
Okay.
I like drawing in my free time.
Excellent example.
Thank you.
Another useful sentence is, I play soccer every weekend.
Great.
Let's learn some vocabulary.
Okay.
The word hobby means an activity you enjoy doing.
Usually in your free time.
Exactly.
Another useful word is relax.
Relax means to rest and feel calm.
Example, I listen to music to relax.
Very good.
Thank you.
Let's learn some grammar.
Great.
We say, I play soccer.
The past tense is I played soccer.
Played is a regular verb.
Correct.
Another example is, I read books.
The spelling stays the same.
But the pronunciation changes.
Yes.
Present tense, read.
Past tense, read.
Very interesting.
English can be funny sometimes.
I agree.
Let's practice pronunciation.
Good idea.
The word hobby.
Hobby.
Very good.
Another word is adventure.
Add, then, chur.
Nice pronunciation.
Thank you.
How much time do you spend on your hobbies?
About 1 hour every day.
That's nice.
What about you?
About 2 hours on weekends.
Sounds fun.
Hobbies make life more enjoyable.
That is true.
Do you think everyone should have a hobby?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because hobbies help people stay happy and active.
Great answer.
Thank you.
Friends, do you have one hobby or many hobbies?
Please tell us in the comments.
We enjoy reading your answers.
If you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for supporting our channel.
We appreciate it very much.
Olivia, what hobby would you like to learn in the future?
I would like to learn photography.
That sounds exciting.
What about you?
I would like to learn guitar.
Nice choice.
Music is wonderful.
Yes, it is.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
We learned useful English vocabulary.
And simple grammar, too.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.